Start off today, Corey, in the second session, big upset there. I mean, you always talk about how guys should be wrestling their best at March. Do you feel could be wrestling the best that he can right now?
Yeah, he beat a kid that beat him earlier in the year, and he beat the 5th seed, so it was a huge win. He came out strong, and he kept wrestling, so he did a really nice job.
At 141, Mitchell, short outing in the second session, unfortunately, the injury to his opponent. Do you feel that's a hindrance since he really didn't get to go in the second session, or is that almost more of a positive he gets to save himself?
Doesn't matter. Win's a win. We'll take him any way we can get him.
Moving on. All right, and then obviously he's moving on as well to 149 then with Dave Habat. Another great one from him. I mean, that's 2 in a row now. Just was he keeping on what you were seeing from the first session, or was there anything different?
Yeah, no, he wrestled really solid. He knew where that guy was good. And he was explosive. He looked on fire, today.
I guess it's two separate things. One's winning and one's evaluating your performance. I could have won but not been happy with how I wrestled, but I was happy with how I wrestled. Both matches I feel like I'm really grooving out there, and I won. So regardless of how I wrestled, it always feels good to advance in a tournament and be in the quarterfinals. And so I feel pretty good, but that's over with now, and my goal is to win 3 more matches. So not too happy yet, but it feels good.
Moving along to the epic that was 184, Avery, he told me that he said he knew that if it got into deep waters, as he said, that when it came down to heart, he was going to be the one to come out victorious. He also said he had some mixed messages for him. He was like, he didn't want to go after him, but then you were like, go after him. So how was that for him? What was kind of going through your mind?
Well, you can't chase him. The kid kind of, backs up a little bit, and he darts in and gets you. But once you get a hold of him, then you got to go. So, he's a hard guy to attack, though.
I wasn't tired at all. I felt no wind whatsoever. Actually, to be honest with you, you catch like your second, your third wind. Whatever wind I caught, when we hit the second overtime on our feet, I felt like we just started the match. So it's very important because I worked extremely hard this year, man. I'm a muscular guy, so it's hard to get oxygen to these muscles. It's been a problem in the past. My muscles fatiguing more than my lungs. It's like my muscles get tired. I've worked so hard to make sure that does not happen. Every morning we have off, I go in with Flynn, and he runs me through a conditioning lift to make sure I got the wind. We went through condition. After last year's Nationals loss, I was never get tired again. Haven't been tired since. So I personally, that's where I told everybody, told my family, told everybody, I said, if I can take the match into deep waters where it's just heart, you take technique out the window, it's just heart in those final 30-second periods, man, I will win, because none of these guys have been through what I've been through, man, to get to where I am now. We're great as kids, and cameras in their face now, and it's just, I've never had that. I've been underrated. I sucked as a kid. I was a little fat kid, and I've worked for everything I've had, and God has given me this amazing opportunity, so just praise God for the opportunity. Just glory to Him, man.
And then going into the consolation here with AJ, another close one today. Just keep plugging along for him. How is he seeing right now?
Yeah, win's win. Right now it's all about just staying, keeping your head above water. So he got the win, and now he's into the second day, and hopefully today, tomorrow's a good day for him.
And then Vince at 197, obviously the scores aren't going to show a lot, but what's it like for him to be able to win the EWL champion, get here and just get experience here despite not getting wins?
It's always good to get here, you always want positive experiences, but yeah, he reversed the loss at EWL, which was a good win, and here, he just, obviously got a lot of work to do to get to the next level.
So 6 coming in with 6, you have 5 still surviving and advancing right now, 4 in the quarterfinals. How happy are you with those statistics right now?
That's good. That's where we want to be, and it was a good day.